Hi! Are you having a hard time setting up your second monitor? In this video, I'll show you on how to set up by simply plug and play. All you need, of course, a second monitor and HDMI cable, and then enjoy! Mabuhay! Rock Leo here, bringing you the best tools and tips in building your career as a creative designer. In this channel, we're giving a lot of YouTube video tips as well as tech reviews like this. If bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, consider subscribing. At any point during this show, check out the notes and links in the description below. I list all the gear I talk about down there as well as the bonus accessories and things like that. So, let's rock and roll! So, before I purchased a second monitor, naisip ko din, kung gaano ba kabilis i-set up yung isang ASUS ProArt monitor. You know what? I figured out it's so simple. Just get the HDMI cable, connect it to your MacBook, and connect it to the ASUS ProArt TV, and then voila! You have a second monitor. That's how easy it is. Plug and play. Seriously, ganoon lang kabilis. Just like this video. Thank you for watching and see you next video.